State of Florida versus Tyler Jamal Jackson. We, the jury, find the defendant guilty of possession of a firearm by a juvenile delinquent found to have committed a felony act as charged in the information. We, the jury, find the defendant committed the crime charged in the information for the purpose of benefiting, promoting, or furthering the interests of a criminal gang. So say we all, done at Jacksonville, Duval County, Florida, signed foreperson 2/4/22. Juror number 2, is this your true and correct verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 3, is this your true and correct verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 4, is this your true and correct verdict? Juror number 5, is this your true and correct verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 6, is this your true and correct verdict?